Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for watching another video. We surely are back. We've been a little busy with work. That's why we haven't been able to record any videos. It's been probably 2 weeks since we recorded our last video. But in this video, we're going to talk about the Caterpillar credit card, business credit card. Some of you have been already approved for that card. So you're going to want to stay tuned because this information is going to affect your account if you have a Caterpillar account. So stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. We are back. I know you missed me. I know I missed you too so much. But we are back. We're back. I can't be this far away from you guys. It cannot be this long. It has been too long and we are back at it. So as I said in the intro, we're going to go over some of the changes that are going to happen with the Caterpillar account, concerning Caterpillar and Citibank. So we're going to talk about that. We've been in the loop. We've been in contact with Citibank as well as with Caterpillar. So in this video, what I'm going to give you is a kind of like a solution to this inconvenience, so to speak, because it's going to affect your account to the point that it potentially could be closed. Okay, guys, so again, we've been busy a little bit with work. We've been doing a lot of research as well. So we're trying to get valuable content. We don't want to just jump on the camera to record a video. We want to actually grab content that you can utilize. Remember, guys, that we talked about a while ago about how the FinTech company is going to revolutionize the banking industry. And I was watching one of the videos from Credit Plug, and he was talking about how the FinTech company is transitioning over now to personal and consumer credit. So that's a big deal. So Caterpillar, the changes that are coming up right now is that Citibank and Caterpillar, they are parting ways. I'm not sure as to the details and the reasoning as to why they're parting ways. But now, so what's going to happen, if you haven't already, you will receive a letter from Caterpillar giving you the news. If you remember, guys, when I was approved for that card, I slightly mentioned something about it. And I don't want to, go too deep into the woods because, number one, I didn't have all the information. So I don't want to sit here and talk about things that I am not sure about because that will mislead you guys. And I want to give you very solid information. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't get too deep into the weeds, talking about that. But now I have confirmed information about Caterpillar really parting ways with Citi. Again, I do not know the reason as to why that is happening. But what I do know, though, is that your Caterpillar account is going to be shut down as of April 30th. And then if you have any pending payment, those statements are going to keep being sent to you, and you're going to continue to make payments to that account if you have any outstanding debts. Once that is paid off, I guess that is when your account is going to be shut down. Now, one of the first things that I did as soon as I got that notice, I picked up the phone and called my account manager, and I spoke with both Caterpillar and Citi. So I spoke with somebody there, a rep that is in charge of my account. and I was gathering more information. So what I'm trying to do though, and this is something that you probably can try to do, is speak with the finance department in Caterpillar, since you already have that relationship built up. Have them transfer that credit. Most of you probably were approved for $25,000. So try to get that credit transfer over to Caterpillar Financial and see if you can continue the relationship with them. Remember that we always talk about here building that business relationship with a human being on the underwriting department, as well as the company, the vendor that is providing the service or products. So if that's the case and you followed our advice, then you wouldn't have any issues with communicating with your account manager and trying to get that transferred over to the financial or Cat Financial. So that's the information that I wanted to bring you today in this video. In fact, this video is not going to be very long. One of the things that I do recommend you to do though is to, if you haven't used the account, try to use it. Rent any equipment that you can get your hands on, even if you don't use it, because what happens is if you don't use the account and you try to transfer the credit over to Cat Financial, then what's going to happen is that they're going to look at the account and they're probably going to see that you never use the account, so they will probably find no use to extending that type of line of credits to you. So, okay guys, so that is all the information that I have for today. Again, keep tuned because there's so many changes coming up with the consumer credit. We don't talk much about consumer credit on this channel. It's not that I don't want to, but you know, we have decided to talk about business and business credit on this channel. But there are a lot of good changes happening on the consumer credit side. So stay tuned. We may make mention of some of those, you know, casually in our videos. Maybe in the future we'll make an entire video talking about consumer credit, but for now we're sticking to business credit. But it doesn't hurt really to be informed. I wouldn't say that one cannot live without the other, but I will tell you this: once you cross over that line of the net 30s and tier 1, tier 2 accounts, and you start to build real business credit, it is impossible to achieve that without using your personal credit. And if you have bad personal credit, then it's going to be a little difficult for you to access some funding for business. Well guys, that's all. Now if you stayed to the end, I have a bonus for you. We have been approved for a PPP loan. So I got with my CPA, we got together, we got it cracking. I applied for the PPP loan and we were approved. So we're going to make a video about that, how we were approved for this PPP loan. So I do recommend you guys, if you run a business and you want to get access to all this, there's a universe of opportunities. Now we happen to be in a, you know, in a hard climate for businesses, but you have to be ready to get a hold of these opportunities. And what I'm trying to say is that if you're running a business and you want to be taken serious really, and you want to be organized, get yourself a CPA is very important. I am pretty sure that a lot of my peers left a lot of money on the table in this tax season because they're trying to figure things out on their own. Just to avoid that, get yourself a CPA. So I got with mine, we got it cracking. He got me approved for my PPP loan. Now you have to be careful. There are a lot of people out there charging a lot of money to get you approved for a loan. Be mindful of that, please. There's a lot of scamming. A lot of scammers out there. Get yourself a certified public accountant don't try your luck. Sometimes you end up paying more than you're trying to save. But all in all, guys, that's all I have for today in this video. Keep tuned. The next video is going to be about that approval for that loan. If you have any questions, feel free to post it down below. Now, remember that if you want to get approved for Divvy, for the Divvy card, there's a link down in the description that I will post. It is an affiliate link, full disclosure. But if you use this link, please, you're more likely to get approved. So go ahead and use this link down below. Thank you guys, that's it. And I miss you too, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Solamente quieren jugar.